Hello, I'm Dr. Persis Poola, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Adikavi Nannaya University, Andhra Pradesh. The course proposed is Introduction to Data Science to be offered on the Swayam platform. Our university is located in Rajahmundry on the banks of the river Godavari, established in the year 2006. University is a fast-growing hub of academic excellence and research in the region. Ours is the largest university in the state of Andhra Pradesh with 392 affiliated colleges. Coming to my academic credentials, I hold an MTech degree in Data Science and Engineering from BITS Pilani, PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from Acharya Nagarjuna University, Andhra Pradesh. My research contributions can be found at DBLP, ResearchGate or Google Scholar. The items points covered in this presentation are course objectives, learning outcomes, then course information, duration of the course, industry verticals covered, course curriculum, and finally evaluation methodology. Coming to the course objectives, this will help the learners to understand the foundational concepts and techniques of data science. They'll be able to understand how cleaning, analysis, and visualization of data is done, and they'll be able to apply basic machine learning algorithms to derive knowledgeable insights. Coming to the learning outcomes, many learning outcomes can be witnessed. Learners will be able to understand the significance of data science, clean and transform raw data into ready data, evaluate machine learning models using performance metrics, communicate data-driven insights through visual storytelling, and apply the data science lifecycle to a practical problem. Above all, they will be able to solve problems related to these concepts that were taught in NET Computer Science, GATE Data Science, and technical interviews also. Coming to the course information, this is designed as a multidisciplinary course because it covers mathematics, statistics, computer science, data mining, and other relevant fields. Prerequisites: basic understanding of mathematics is sufficient, curiosity to work with data, no prior experience in programming or data science is required. Target group: this can be offered as an open elective for UG, second or third year students. Any student from science, engineering, or commerce can opt for this course, or at PG level this can be offered as a foundational elective. Coming to the duration of the course, this is designed as a 10-week course. Each week includes 2 modules of 30 minutes each, that means 1 hour. Self-study, review, and weekly quizzes another 1 hour, so total 2 hours per week. So finally for 10 weeks it is 20 hours. If it is 20 hours, as per Swayam guidelines, 2 credits can be assigned, and as per NCR guidelines, this can fit anywhere between the levels 5 to 7. And industry verticals covered, this has a broad scope in the industry because it is cross-cutting across multiple disciplines. This course prepares learners for roles in IT, software development, healthcare, education and edtech, business analytics and market research, government and public policy, startups and innovation. Coming to the course curriculum, the 10-week course is designed like this. In week 1, data and its importance is understood. How knowledge can be discovered from data is taught in lesson 2. In week 2, different data types are understood, their formats, and categorical, numerical, and other data types, what values they will hold will be explained with examples. Week 3, we will move from raw data to ready data, how raw data will be cleaned, and how transformation techniques will be applied to make the data ready for processing. And in week 4, statistical measures for data analysis will be explained. Measures of central tendency as well as measures of dispersion will be covered. Week 5 is about enhancing data quality, the importance of data quality. To achieve this, how redundancies have to be identified and they have to be addressed. And data reduction and sampling techniques will help to deal with large data set that will be taught in lesson 2 of week 5. In week 6, data analytics foundations, different types of analytics will be covered, and a data science project lifecycle will be covered, starting from raw data to knowledgeable insights at the end. This is the most exciting part of the course. Week 7, introduction to machine learning. It will be explained where rule-based programming fails and where machine learning exactly fits. Different types of machine learning also will be covered. So building a machine learning model alone is not sufficient. Evaluating it is equally important. That part will be covered in week 8. Week 9, finally the results, how we are going to communicate the with the data. So that will be explained in a very interesting way with interesting examples. Storytelling with the data is another interesting part of this course. Finally, in week 10, so algorithms and real world applications. One algorithm each under supervised and unsupervised categories will be explained with examples. A real world case study will be taken, and all the concepts that were taught in the previous weeks will be covered here. These textbooks can be referred for better understanding of the concepts. And evaluation methodology, total marks is 100, internal assessment for 30. 10 weekly quizzes will be there because it is a 10-week course. Each quiz for 10 marks, that means 10 MCQs, and final assessment of internal will be like sum of best 6 scores divided by 2 will get down the marks to 30, and end-term proctored exam will be for 70. 30 MCQs each 1 mark, and 20 MCQs each carrying 2 marks will be given. And certification eligibility will be acquired only after acquiring minimum 40% in internal, that is 12 out of 30, and minimum 40% in end-term exam. In the words of Carly Fiorina, former chairperson of Hewlett Packard, the goal is to turn data into information and information into insight. This is what our course is aimed at. Thank you.